Research and development of new technology is generally associated with the developed world, especially the US. History is proof that developed nations with their resources and talent are at the forefront of almost every technological advancement. Every new game-changing idea, be it the internet, manufacturing or services, is tested in the developed world before it is adopted in other markets. But this tide is slowly shifting. The scale, opportunity and resources of Asian countries is leading to new technology being developed in-house. And in this video, we will learn about a new revolutionary technology developed by India, which countries like China and the US are now looking to adopt. This technology is called Unified Payments Interface or UPI and is truly changing the way more than 1 billion people make payments. Let's start. Fortune magazine has called UPI to be the best financial innovation post-independence in India. UPI has contributed its might to make India one of the fastest growing digital economies in the world. It has enabled India to become the largest real-time payments market in the world with 25.5 billion real-time transactions, ahead of countries like China and South Korea. It is so successful that it will soon be launched in 10 countries in the region, including Singapore, Japan and Malaysia. In 2019, Google suggested the US Federal Reserve to learn from the success of UPI and build their own real-time payment method. It is very clear that this technology has been immensely successful and is now grabbing global attention. So now let's look at what exactly UPI is and why there is a need for another payment system when we already have cash and cards to transact online. UPI was born because of a need to bring small Indian businesses and merchants online and help them connect to end users directly. Cash is considered king in India, much like many other nations in the region. In 2011, an average Indian user would have no more than 6 digital transactions in a year. While card payments were widely accepted, it was never able to become mainstream, primarily due to cost concerns. Merchants needed to invest in the payment terminal and pay banks a fee per transaction, which was as high as 3%. This meant your friendly neighborhood mom and pop store could not afford to completely rely on digital transactions. The other most common digital transaction, sending money to someone else, at the time was facilitated by banks. Users in India could not directly transfer money to someone else, but had to use the online banking infrastructure, which was inconvenient and slow at times. UPI was launched to solve these issues, with a vision to reduce India's dependency on cash and boost business growth through bringing them online. This real-time payment system enables transactions from one bank account to another without the direct intervention of a bank or financial institute. Consider it similar to your email. You can use your email to send a message to anyone, anywhere, as long as you have the correct email ID of the recipient. UPI similarly generates a unique virtual payment address for every bank account and enables free, secure, and real-time payment between these accounts. The brilliance of the system is that UPI is also connected to your mobile number, which enables quick mobile-based transactions, which is key in countries like India, which are mobile first when it comes to internet. So not only you can pay someone directly if you know their UPI ID, you can simply pay based on their mobile number. Another USP of the system is its interoperability. The network is free to use for any merchant, so you're not tied to use only one app for a transaction. India today has more than 7 different payment apps like Paytm, Google Pay, Amazon Pay that use this UPI network to enable digital payments. The result is a wider adoption of the system and a win-win for the consumer. If you walk around today in any big city in India, you will find these QR code stickers everywhere, from retail stores in malls to your local vendor. All the information related to the merchant's UPI ID is coded in this QR code, which enables contactless and swift payments. There is a reason why UPI has become so popular in India and globally. In October 2021, UPI transaction value crossed $100 billion. The contactless QR code and mobile-based payments was a blessing during lockdown times when people were skeptical about exchanging currency notes. It has also led to millions of small retailers coming online and receiving direct payments credited into their bank account, which in the long term helps the local economy. It is truly remarkable that a developing economy of India, where cash is still king, is opening to true real-time payments at a never-seen-before scale. And the world is now taking notes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, do drop in a like and subscribe for the channel. Also comment down if you have a topic that you're curious to know more about. Thank you for watching.